Okay, we use Doppler and we use a gel. Oh, that's a lot of noise. Okay. And then we'll listen. And I think baby's back is here just by looking. Oh, and baby's moving. Hi, sweetie. Hello. Okay, and I'm just gonna listen right here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about how to listen to your baby with a Doppler. This is a series of what to expect when you go to a prenatal or an antenatal appointment. So if you haven't watched the other series, I've talked about urinalysis, I've talked about fundal height. If you're interested in this, keep on watching. My name is Victoria and I'm a midwife, a childbirth educator, and also a birth coach and a doula. I'm passionate about empowering couples to birth with confidence and also to reduce fear in childbirth. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing, turning on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. My goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers, so I would appreciate if you haven't subscribed that you do and that you share my videos, because sharing is caring. And also, if you have subscribed, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Now let's get back to the video. So why do we listen to the fetal heart tones? It helps us know that the baby is doing okay. Just like you have a heartbeat, I have a heartbeat, it helps me know that I'm okay, I'm alive, right? That's why we listen to the baby's heart tone every single time you come into your appointment. It also helps us confirm baby's position. If your baby is head down, which we call cephalic position, or if your baby is bridge, when they're just sitting like this inside your pelvis. Bridge or cephalic. If your baby's head is down, which we call cephalic or vertex, you would hear the heart tones usually closer to the bottom, closer to the symphysis pubis, or actually also below your belly button. If the baby is bridge, you would hear the baby's heart tone usually above your belly button, because the baby's heart is closer to where? The head, right? And you can usually hear the baby's heartbeat better on their back or through their shoulder blades. Baby, you need a Doppler and you need some gel. I use the aloe vera 100% gel. And you put a little bit on the Doppler. You put a little bit right over here. And then you get the baby. Hi, baby. I've been so blessed to have one of our mamas willing to let me take a video of her while I was doing it. So right now I'll let you see the video. Okay, we use Doppler and we use a gel. Oh, that's a lot of noise. Okay. And then we'll listen. And I think baby's back is here just by looking. Oh, and baby's moving. Hi, sweetie. Hello. Okay, and I'm just gonna listen right here. listening to it. It's like 140s. Yeah. There we go. I love the sound of heart rate. It's so amazing. It's so amazing. Okay, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that video, and shout out to that mama that let me use it. By the way, a normal fetal heart tone is between 120 beats per minute to about 160 beats per minute. 120 beats per minute to about 160 beats per minute. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and let me know how you like this video and what stood out to you in this video. Love to hear from you guys. If you haven't subscribed, please do. I would really appreciate that, and that really encourages me. And remember to be the best version of you. See you in my next video. God bless and bye-bye.